Hi, konnichiwa. Welcome back to this truly wonderful game. Today we will play deeper and more excellent at level 9. Fun with PD 3.0 Gadget Chapter 16. Golden chains are rare. If you don't take them, they may vanish forever. Let's start now. Packet Tracer game. Level 9 knowledge. Unlock the secret of VLAN. Ultimately, you feel more exciting and amazing. No scared. Remember, you are the best. Step by step, you can do it, guy. Why VLAN? A VLAN virtual local area network is a logical subdivision of network at the layer 2 data link level. VLAN allow you to segment a physical switch into multiple broadcast domains, improving security, traffic management, and network efficiency. Key benefit of VLAN segmentation. Isolate traffic between different departments, example HR, finance, IT. Security. Restrict communication between VLAN unless permitted by a router or firewall. Performance. Reduce unnecessary broadcast traffic. Flexibility. Assign port to VLAN regardless of physical location. Perform basic VLAN command on a Cisco switch. And this logical diagram, domain isolation switch with the feature of VLAN. So we can see VLAN 10, lecture names, VLAN 20, name students. For the purpose of perform basic VLAN command on a Cisco switch, first step, entering VLAN configuration mode. To configure VLAN, you need to be in global configuration mode. Firstly, key in enable and then configure terminal, following by VLAN 10 mean create VLAN 10, then name lecture meaning name the VLAN lecture, and VLAN 20 create VLAN 20, and finally name student meaning names the VLAN student. Terminate this program using command end. Secondly, assigning a port to a VLAN access port. Assigning a port to a VLAN from S1 prompt, key in command interface port 0 fast ethernet 01, and then key in the command switch port mode access, following by switch port access VLAN 10 mean assign port to VLAN 10. Finally exit, do it again, interface fast ethernet 1/1, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10 mean assign port to VLAN 10, again exit, continue with interface fast ethernet 2/1, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20 mean assign port to VLAN 20, and exit. And lastly, key in interface fast ethernet 31, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20 mean assign port to VLAN 20, and lastly key in the command end to terminate the program. Thirdly, configuring a trunk port carry multiple VLAN. Configuring a trunk port. When the switch 1 prompt appears, key in interface gigabit Ethernet 4/1. Then switch port mode trunk and switch port trunk allowing VLAN 10, 20 main options. Limit along VLAN and finally key in N to terminate the program. When finished, configure switch 1, do the same thing as well switch 2, and finally verifying VLAN configuration. Fourth, verifying VLAN configuration. From the switch port prompt, show VLAN brief, meaning list all VLAN and assign port. The next switch prompt, show interface trunks, meaning show trunk port and allow VLAN, and finally show running config, meaning display current configuration. That's all together 4 steps for performing basic VLAN command on a Cisco switch. Right now, the challenging time is coming. Since come to hands-on section, check and verify the value of VLAN saved in S1 and S2. Let's start at S1. From the S1 display, fast Ethernet port 0 out VLAN 10, fast Ethernet port 1 out VLAN 10, fast Ethernet port 2 out VLAN 20, and fast Ethernet port 3 out VLAN 20. Let's check at switch 2. Fast Ethernet port 0 out VLAN 10, fast Ethernet port 1 out VLAN 20. Also, we can using Cisco iOS command line interface to verify the content of VLAN. Get 1, laptop 3, and cable console cable contact at RS232 with switch 1 console port. Let's not key in terminal. Okay. From the switch prompt, key in enable. Now we can start to verify the content of VLAN by keying the command show VLAN brief. Show VLAN brief. The result show VLAN name, status, and port. VLAN 1 for default active, fast Ethernet port 5, VLAN 10 lecture active, fast Ethernet port 0 and fast Ethernet port 1, VLAN 20 name students active, fast Ethernet port 2 and fast Ethernet port 3. Finish, we check switch 2. From terminal, click in OK. From the switch prompt, key in enable and key in the VLAN commands show VLAN with the result show from switch to VLAN 1 default status active port fast Ethernet 2, fast Ethernet 3 and fast Ethernet 5, VLAN 10 lecture active fast Ethernet port 0, VLAN 20 student fast Ethernet 1. So when finished, we use another verifying command show trunk port, show trunk port. More accurate, we using show interface trunk. The result show port gigabit Ethernet 4. If you like, we can do the same thing at switch 1. Show interface trunk. For switch 1, the result show port gigabit 4 on encapsulation 802.1q status trunking native VLAN 1. The next port gigabit 4 1 VLAN allow on trunk 10 and 20. Also, VLAN allow and active in management domain 10 and 20. And lastly, check and verifying the functioning of entire network. So we can use the simple method, add simple PDU. Click in laptop 0, pin PC 0, the result show successful, and then laptop 0, pin 2, laptop 2. Also the result show successful. Next, go to the scenario 1. Click in PDU, click on laptop 1, pin to PC1, result show successful. Again, laptop 1, pin with PC2, also the result shows successful. So how your work performs? Are you happy with this result? If true, then this means you have success with this remarkable achievement and will bring you forward to score higher level in future. The marvelous thing is that you already adapt with this game. Thanks for watching.